Hi, I'm Phil Story from Glow, and we're on a mission to help businesses do more with their website. Before we start with today's video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also check out our website for more helpful tips and advice. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 user experience tests for your website. At Glow, we spend our time maintaining your website, constantly monitoring it to make sure it's performing well all the time. Your website should be the #1 salesperson for your business, and given how important a role it should play in the growth and success of your business, it pays to test that things are working as they should do. So here's 3 things that you can test on your website today to check that all is well. Number 1, links. You might have heard of the phrase broken links. As the phrase suggests, these are links in your website that don't work as expected. Links are the signposts that help people move around your website. If they're broken, people can't access the content that you want them to, leading to a frustrated potential customer. If you're not adding content to your website regularly, broken links are likely to be less of an issue. However, if you've got a larger, more active site, it pays to check them on a regular basis. Now, manually checking every link on your website clearly isn't practical. You'd never get any work done. Luckily, there's lots of tools you can use where you can pop in your web address and your website gets scanned for any broken links. Ahrefs.com is a good tool for this. You can head over to their website and see if your website needs any links fixing. Number 2, forms. It's possible that the forms on your website can stop working. Missing inquiries can cost you an awful lot in lost business, and it hurts even more when that business has likely gone to a competitor. Get into the habit of regularly checking the forms on your website still work as they should. Every week is reasonable, and this should take you no more than about 5 minutes each time. Tip number 3, page loading. Have you ever tried accessing a page on a website and instead of the page loading, it says 404 page error? This means that the web browser can't find that page of your website. It usually happens when you change the name of a page or when you delete one, and the effect can be a frustrating one for your customers. It can be quite a common issue in larger e-commerce websites, and to help prevent this from happening, make sure that when you're changing the name of a page, you redirect the old one to the new one. This means that if people still have access to the old version, they'll automatically be redirected to the new one and you won't get a page load error. So there's 3 things that you can test on your website today from a user experience perspective to make sure that things are working as they should. Your website is live to your customers, representing your business 24/7. It's worth looking after it. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel or check out our website for more tips just like this.